If you want to DIY your own custom photo frame from drab to fab, then stick around for Sparkling Martini Crafts. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Sparkling Martini Crafts. I am so looking forward to doing this craft with you, especially because I am using Dollar Tree items. All roads in crafting lead to the Dollar Tree. So these foam boards are perfect for this project because it's cost effective and it allows you to get creative without feeling like you're breaking the bank. So we're going to use this foam board to create a nice frame. And then I'm also going to get a little bit more creative by making a photo frame that's a tabletop stand. So that way when you're taking all your cute pictures and doing all your poses, you don't have to hold the frame. You have a little bit more leeway. So the way that this one is going to be constructed is with another foam board piece. And then we're also going to use a Trifold poster board as the stand. And you remember these from your science projects back in middle school and elementary school. This is going to be the stand and the other foam board is going to be glued on the other side. If it's not quite making sense to you, it will as the project goes on. I'm looking forward to crafting with you and thanks for joining Sparkling Martini Crafts. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your ideas and thoughts. So first we're going to want to measure everything out. So make sure you have your ruler, a long straight edge, and then you have a pencil to work with. So I'm measuring out the bottom and I'm going to have this portion a little longer than the side. So if you ever see a Polaroid picture, it's going to kind of resemble that as far as the shape in the frame. So the outside edges are about 2 to 1.5 inches. The bottom was about 4 to 5 inches. Then I took my straight edge and my box cutter and I cut out the square. So now we have a nice frame. Hey guys! So now we're going to also glue down the trifold to the foam board and then I'm going to cut the foam board out. So there I am, busting out the frame, acting brand new. And now to the fun part. This is the part where you get creative and get to decorate and get into your theme. For me, I'm making an escape room theme for my friend's daughter's birthday. And I also have a pretty big craft closet collection. So I'm going to use a lot of products that I already have. I have some vinyl, cardstock, and I'm also going to use my Cricut to make clocks and keys, things to go with the escape room. If you don't have an extensive collection, you can always go on Pinterest to get ideas, and you can use the Dollar Tree, Michael's, and find coupons to make this cost effective and easy. Follow along in my process, and I hope that I give you some ideas. What is the theme that you'd be interested in seeing? Make sure you comment below. And if you like what you're seeing so far, hit the subscribe button. I definitely want to shout out my mom. She's on my Cricut. Okay, so let's get into painting. So with the theme, we decided to make it like a time machine because time is running out in an escape room. So it's going to be her little time machine. And it's a metallic and rose gold theme. So I use all my metallics to make it look rustic. But I'm also going to bring in girly elements with the pink glitter sparkle. So I'm adding in this glitter sparkle border as well. That's pink and I put on pink glitter. You'll see it better a little bit later as the paint dries and when I do close-ups. But we got to keep it girly and fun. And you also have to have good music now. So right now I am taping or gluing down all of the different embellishments, adding on a little bit more of the puff paint for some dimension, putting on that clock, and just adding all the little odds and ends. Have you noticed that I had on 3 different outfits since starting this process? Yeah, it was a lot, but I just wanted to take it day by day, do bit by bit, and to map it out. I suggest the same for you, especially if you're trying to do something a little bit more intricate. we are in the home stretch, and now we're doing the back 2 panels. So all roads lead to Dollar Tree. Get that Dollar Tree wrapping paper, some Modge Podge, and glue it down. Doesn't have to be perfect. Go ahead and embellish the back pieces. I just used some gears and glued them down, and then I made some cute little notes in reference to clues. And now, literally, we are done. I am so happy with the way that this turned out. I can't even describe how cute it is. It's even cuter in person. You might hear that saying a lot, but it's actually true. The colors, the metallics, the glitter, I don't think that it's really showing through on this camera. Just look at all of that sparkle and detail. And even if you don't go into this much detail, you'll enjoy it because it was made by your hands and you were able to customize it for your event. Thank you for joining me with Sparkling Martini Crafts. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and if you want to follow me for more, please subscribe. I'll be glad to have you join me for my next project. Take care and keep sparkling.